Okay, so imagine this, you're at Chick-fil-A, right? You just demolished a spicy chicken sandwich and a ton of waffle fries. Your sweet tooth is screaming for attention. But wait, they don't have sundaes on the menu. Or do they? Cue the dramatic music. Because here's the thing, there's a secret hack that's so genius, it makes you question why fast food menus even exist in the first place. Let me explain why combining a chocolate fudge brownie and an Icedream isn't just a dessert, it's a window into the chaotic, beautiful world of customer creativity. And honestly, it might even be better than what's on the menu. Alright, let's break this down. The hack itself is simple, crumble a brownie into a cup of Icedream. Mix it up, and boom, you've got layers of chewy chocolate chunks and creamy vanilla swirls. But here's what the article doesn't say, this isn't just about flavor. It's about rebellion. Think about it. Chick-fil-A sells this ultra-soft vanilla soft serve as a standalone item, and the brownie is a separate snack. They're keeping the menu streamlined, which makes business sense. But customers? We're not here for efficiency. We want carnival-style indulgence. So we take matters into our own hands. And honestly? I love it. It's like the culinary version of graffiti, illegally delicious. Now, some people take it a step further, the cone hack. Smash the Icedream cone into the cup before adding the brownie. Crunchy texture? Check. Extra chocolatey vibes? Double check. And while one Instagram commenter whined about wanting Cold Stone to do the work for them, I'd argue that's missing the point. This is Cold Stone, but with a fast food twist. And isn't the DIY aspect part of the fun? You're not just buying dessert, you're curating an experience. Which raises a question, when did fast food become a blank canvas for our culinary dreams? Let's zoom out. This isn't just about Chick-fil-A. It's about the rise of the secret menu culture. We've all seen those TikTok hacks, like the Dorito Locos pizza roll or the pink Starbucks drink. But here's the twist, these hacks aren't created by chefs. They're born from customers who refuse to accept limitations. And that's fascinating. Because in a world where everything feels mass-produced, adding a brownie to your ice cream cup gives you a false sense of control. But hey, false or not, I'll take it. It's the little things, right? And the customization options? Oh, they're endless. Swap the brownie for a cookie. Add chocolate syrup. Build a parfait. You're basically a dessert MacGyver at this point. But what's really going on here is nostalgia. Those of us old enough to remember when mixing snacks was a childhood crime, my mom still judges me for putting pickles on cupcakes, get a thrill from breaking the rules. Meanwhile, Gen Z sees it as a personality trait. Either way, it's a win. Because let's face it, the only thing faster than fast food is our evolving taste for chaos. So here's my final thought, is Chick-fil-A missing out by not marketing this sundae officially? Maybe. But maybe they're playing chess while we play checkers. By keeping the menu simple, they're daring us to innovate. And in doing so, they've turned every dessert into a choose-your-own-adventure story. Which is brilliant, if you ask me. Because at the end of the day, we're not just paying for food. We're paying for the right to say, I made this better. So go ahead, crumble that brownie. The counter worker might side-eye you, but deep down? They're impressed. And hey, if anyone asks, tell 'em I said you're a visionary.